Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to grow your wig longer and thicker. So the things that you're going to need is, of course, a wig that you want to make longer or thicker and a few extra tracks. Now this hair I got it from, I think it's called Moocast, but I'll list the link below. It was from Amazon. It came in the 20-inch. I wanted it a little bit longer and a little thicker. So far I really like the hair, but I just need it to be like a little bit thicker, sis. So I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna make this wig thicker. So let's get started. Okay, so this hair that I'm using, as you can see, I went ahead and doubled the track. So this is actually 2 tracks. This is a 24-inch piece of hair. I got this piece of hair from All Virgin Hair. Actually, a friend gave me a piece of this hair, but the whole bundle was from All Virgin Hair. I'm gonna put the glue on it and then set it to the side just to let it dry and get tacky. And I'm going to figure out where I want to actually apply the track because that is very, very important. So I'm just feeling through the wig just to see where it's like a little space for me to add an extra track. And this is going to make everything more organized and it's just going to make everything lay a little better. Alright, so once I have where I want my track to lay, I'm just going to pin the top up, and then as you can see the back is just going to be down, and I'm going to pin it up as best as I can. Try not to get it on the other hair, but if you do get a little glue on the other hair, like, it's completely fine. That's a part of why I'm letting it dry a little bit so it won't be as messy. But this is just a little extra track so you guys can see, you know, what little bit of length I'm gonna add. But it's gonna add more fullness than more length, and I'm completely okay with that. So now that the track is tacky, I'm sorry y'all. I thought I heard my baby, so I had to go check and see. But I'm going to go ahead and add the track just like this, as you guys can see. And it was really easy to apply. I recommend, if you're doing it this way, to go ahead and double you 2 tracks together so that you just save time. Like, don't nobody got time to be doing this all day. So yeah. Alright, so once I added the 2 tracks, this is how it looks. As you can see, it's way fuller. Like, I love it. And it is a tad bit longer. I did ended up doing a video on how I got my hair this wavy and curly, but I ended up doing some really good Bantu knots, and this is the result of the Bantu knot so that you guys can see that. I really hope that you guys like this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. This is a lace closure wig, and I will list all the links and things about it below. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.